Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pickled shallots or vinegar onion. Very easy to make and you can store this for 1 year time. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 8 peeled shallots. Chop off the bottom portion and keep it ready. Make X mark cuts using a knife. Likewise, cut all the shallots and keep it ready. Take 2 green chillies and cut them into 2 halves. Keep both these ingredients ready. Now heat a pan and to this add 1 cup of water. Then add 6 peppercorns, 1 clove, a piece of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of chopped beetroot. Give it a quick mix. Let this boil for 5 minutes until the water reduces to half. Now it's been 5 minutes, so off the flame. Today I've taken a ceramic jar. You can also use a glass jar. To this add the shallots, then add the green chillies, a teaspoon of salt, then goes in the beetroot syrup along with the ingredients. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now close with the lid and let this rest for 1 day in room temperature. It's been 1 day now, so let's open and check. The pickled shallots are nice and ready. You can enjoy this vinegar onion or pickled shallots for 1 year time. This best goes with curd rice or shawarmas. Very easy and delicious recipe. So do try this pickled shallots or vinegar onion at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.